Hello, friends. Technology has become the driving force for major transformation in the real estate industry. There are visible improvements in our business processes, quality, cost optimization, efficiency, and most importantly, in the customer experience. CBRE and NASSCOM have joined hands yet again for DisrupTech 2.0, India's biggest PropTech event. We are looking for innovative, cutting-edge ideas that have the potential to redefine the real estate ecosystem. As a jury member for this event, I look forward to engage and mentor some of the brightest entrepreneurs in this country. DisrupTech 2.0 can be your ticket to the big league. Apply now.